In each of the following cases, find the unknown variable. In case 1, we're asked to calculate our depreciation expense. We're given our accounting break-even in units, which is 112,800 units, and we know that our accounting break-even occurs where our net income equals 0. We're also given our unit price, selling price of $41, and our variable cost per unit of $30. That enables us to calculate our contribution margin per unit, which is the 41 minus 30, or $11 per unit. If we multiply our $11 per unit by our 112,800 units, we can calculate our total contribution margin, which is $1,240,800. We're given our fixed costs of $820,000. Now we can calculate our depreciation expense, which is simply our total contribution margin of $1,240,800 minus our fixed costs of $820,000 minus our net income, which in this case was 0. So our depreciation expense is $420,800. In case 2, we're asked to calculate our unit price. And again, we're given our accounting break-even point in units, which was 165,000 units. Recall again, at break-even, our net income equals 0. We're also told that our depreciation expense is $1,150,000. Our fixed costs are $3,200,000. Therefore, in order to achieve our break-even net income of 0, we would have needed to earn a total contribution margin of $4,350,000. This is our depreciation expense plus our fixed costs. The last step then is to calculate our contribution margin per unit. We can calculate this by taking our total contribution margin of $4,350,000 and dividing it by the number of units, which was 165,000 units. This gives us a contribution margin per unit of $26.36. We can use this along with our variable cost, which was $27, to calculate our total unit price of $53.36. In case 3, we're told that our accounting break-even point is 4,385 units, and we're asked to calculate our variable cost per unit. Again, recall, accounting break-even occurs where our net income is 0. We're told our depreciation expense is $105,000 and our fixed costs are $160,000. This means to break even, we need to have a total contribution margin of $265,000. This is our depreciation expense of $105,000 plus our fixed cost of $160,000. To calculate our contribution margin per unit, again, we take our total contribution margin, which in this case was $265,000, and divide it by our break-even number of units, which was 4,385 units. This means we need to earn a contribution margin on a per unit basis of $60.43. We're told that our selling price is $98 per unit. So if we take our $98 selling price and subtract our $60.43 per unit contribution margin, we can calculate our variable cost, which would be $37.57.